We're 2 months already. Hooray! 2 months of feeding on mommy. Yes. You say hi to them. Hi. Hi, everybody. Hi. Oh. What's that? You tell Daddy, Daddy, I'm 2 months already. And I'm getting bigger. More than 6 kilograms. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah. Wah. Love you. Say mama, babe. Mama. Mama. Ooh. Mama. Mama. Unsa man na? Ha? Unsa man na mong gilantaw? Oh. I love you, Kai Kai. Uy. Oh, very strong. Oh. Wow. 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 Allah. We love you. Wow. Unsa man? Oh. Thank you, Lord, for Kai Kai's healthy body. 2 months of exclusive breastfeeding. Huh? Nga. Nga. Na. Oo. Hi. Hi. Hi, guapa.